Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at the Skynet Market indicator powered by Certic. We already covered the Skynet community score in a previous video. This one focuses on something different, the stability of a cryptocurrency on the markets, and the amount of data behind it is kind of impressive. So what does Skynet Market measure? Certic's algorithm evaluates a project's market stability by looking at several dimensions like trading volumes across centralized and decentralized exchanges, price and market cap performance, TVL analysis, the quantity of tokens flowing in and out of major exchanges, the number of active wallets over 24 hours, and even the price correlation with other cryptocurrencies. All of that gets combined into one score, and like other metrics on CryptoScores, you get a color code: green for a strong, stable market profile, red for a weak one. Let's take a look at Centrifuge. With a total score of 97 over 100, we could go to opportunity with this one 100 over 100, though, so difficult to do better. But as we can see, the Skynet market over there is at 94%. So clearly in green with a strong stability. And when you click through to Skynet's website to see the details, you understand why. You just have to go to the right on the screen and click on market over there, and you will see all the data you need to see to understand why the score is that high. The breakdown is kind of fascinating because the token price performance shows the project is in the top 5% for volume and top 10% for market cap performance, volume over 24 hours at nearly $15 million with a massive increase, listed on 42 exchanges with 70 trading pairs, including Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken, and many others. You can see exactly how much volume each exchange handles, which pairs are the most active, the percentage breakdown by exchanges, and it goes even further. If you scroll down, you have the TVL analytics showing $1.71 billion locked, broken down by chain with a history chart so you can track the evolution, even the number of unique active wallets over 24 hours. This is the kind of depth that turns a single green indicator on CryptoScores into a full market analysis if you want to dig in. Now, if we compare that with Borg, with a total score of 62 over 100, not that good, but not that bad either, but the opportunity score is kind of pretty low. If you scroll down to the Skynet market, you can see the score is in red. That tells you Certic's assessment of market stability is pretty poor, whether it's a low volume, weak exchange coverage, thin TVL, or a combination of factors. The market profile doesn't inspire confidence from a stability standpoint. And this is exactly why the color code is so useful. In one glance, you know that Centrifuge's market is well supported and stable, while Borg's raises questions. Then it's up to you to click through and understand the details. And as usual, when you click on the score on CryptoScores, it takes you directly to the project's page on Certic's Skynet. And as you've seen with CFG, the level of detail is remarkable. Exchange listing, volume breakdown, TVL analytics, wallet activity, everything you need to form your own opinion about a project's market health is right there. So use the Skynet market score as a quick stability check. Green means Certic sees a solid, well-supported market around this token. Red means there are weaknesses in the market structure. And whenever you want to go deeper, the link to Skynet is one click away. As always, you are the analyst. The score gives you the signal. The detailed data is there for you to verify it. Skynet Market, an independent stability assessment backed by serious data. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.